I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. I can't believe that literally a week ago today, we started filming Vlogmas. It actually feels like a very long time ago. Make it make sense. It has been a very nice start to the morning here though. Just finishing up my chai while I finished Vlogmas, so got that ready to go, which is great. And today should be a fun day. We have some work to take care of this morning, and then tonight or not tonight, what am I saying? This afternoon, we are going to an event with Cait, which should be really fun. I'll tell you more about it a little later when we're getting ready, but I believe it's like a floral arranging class, which should be cool. I somehow legitimately woke up still full today. I was so full after that ramen yesterday. Barely ate dinner, and like I was like, I'll wake up really hungry. No, that ramen was so filling. I think it's because it was like dumplings and noodles, which is a lot. I am still legit full. But anyway, it is 10:40 a.m. and I'm just gonna spend a little time wrapping up some more work stuff, responding to comments on Vlogmas, stuff like that, and I probably won't check in with you guys until like lunchtime unless something comes up. And I'm thinking soup and a sandwich for lunch because that sounds really good. Guys, I know I show this every day, but I'm just not over how cute it is as she comes and cuddles with me at my desk. So I'm going to continue showing it every day, and I'm not gonna apologize for it. Especially considering how soon we're not gonna be together, Molly. So sad. Wait, when do I go home? Is that like a week from today? I have to check that. Oh, hi. Hey. I actually think it's a week from tomorrow, now that I'm thinking about it. But what the hell? How is it that soon? I have truly not drank enough water today. That is for sure. What? What?
We have a new member of the O'Reilly family.
Shut up.
And his name is Gus.
What? Let me see this.
Look at this cutie.
Oh my god, he's so perfect.
Right?
No, the brown nose is actually my favorite part.
With the little white spots, just like Molly's got the white little toes.
Oh my gosh, guys, I don't even think I've told you about this yet.
Oh my god, he's so cute.
Yes, he's adorable.
It's my sweet little prince. Yes, he is.
I haven't even told them this yet. I can't believe it. Very exciting news. Mostly exciting for Connor. But,
What?
well,
He's
because
our
I don't get to
family.
meet him.
Yeah, that's a personal decision that you have made.
Connor's family is getting a brand new puppy, and I guess they just officially picked him out today.
There's a video.
Oh my god, let me see.
So, guys! Hi! Guys!
Oh, look at the tail.
Get my friend! I know, I love the tip of the tail.
Oh, it's so adorable. Look
Hi,
at
Gus. Hi, baby
Oh, that's so
boy.
fantastic.
He's just such a good boy. He's
I'm so jealous that you get to hang out with him.
puppy time.
Oh my god.
Molly, come in here. Want to see your brother? Molly, this is Angus.
What do you think, Molly Cat? Molly, what do you think about him?
He's
Look over here.
royalty. You're a queen, and
that's
he's
your
don't worry,
brother.
he's just a little prince.
Yeah.
You're still a queen.
She's so cute. Do you love him?
Oh, yeah,
you
you
love him.
Yes.
You're gonna get a puppy friend?
Oh yeah. You're probably gonna hate him at first.
Yeah, but you'll be okay. The celebration, I'm dead. So dead.
Oh my god.
So jealous.
Nugger.
Jealous! I'm mad at you.
What?
Yeah, we're in a fight.
Why?
Because you get to hang out with a puppy and I don't.
Little Gusser.
No Gus
He's
kids.
staying with Gus. Gus. I'm gonna be sending you infinite snapshots. Don't worry, I'm FaceTimes with him.
Okay. So for lunch today, I think we're going to make a sandwich and have a little bit of soup maybe as well. Maybe I'll try this chicken and vegetable wonton soup. Lift a small opening in the film, add water to the fill line, microwave on high for 4 to 5 minutes, let stand for 1 minute. Okay, easy. Wow, this literally will not come off. So we shall cut a small opening. So excited to have the chili lime mayonnaise back because it is my favorite to have on sandwiches. Then I'm putting some of this avocado spread from the farmer's market on there for a nice little avocado-y taste. Molly cat? Okay, you want a tiny piece just because you're so cute. I know, you're very cute. Okay, there you go. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. How good does this soup look, you guys? We definitely have to try it together. It smells amazing too. Look at how beautiful the tree is looking today. Looking lovely, girlfriend. Mmm. Oh, that is yummy. It does need to be heated up a little bit more, I think. Probably because I waited to try it. I like wanted to go in and send an email quickly. Well, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna heat it up more, but another win. These frozen soups from Trader Joe's are so good. I'm definitely gonna need to stock up on more of them next time. Well, I'm about to head out to that event with Cait, but I thought I would show you my outfit really quickly. Just pretty basic, little stretchy pants, that leather jacket that I thrifted. I don't know, I just sort of felt like being comfy again. Have you caught on to that I have not been in the mood to dress up? Because that's how I've been feeling. But this is the look. I like it. And I'm very excited for this event actually. A little like flower arranging class. It should be really fun. This all looks so yummy. Crispy smashed potatoes, like you are what you eat, baby. I know. What's the progress so far? How are you feeling about your current creation? You know, rate it out of 10.
Confident, but I'm like a 7 right now.
I like it. I'll take it.
How about you?
Yeah, like, yeah, 7. Wow. Finished products. Here we go. Here's mine. It's okay for a first try, I think. It's pretty good. Here's Cait's. So cute, too.
We tried.
Of course, you have like a natural knack. Miss Creative over here.
Just threw everything in a hole like it's fine.
Well, same.
Yeah.
Seems like that is the technique.
Yeah.
But so fun. Loved it.
So good.
I know. This little tree looks so cute.
Little.
Yeah, true. It's literally the Whomping Willow. And we are heading home. Oh, I'm never gonna get over how beautiful it is to sit right here and chat with you guys. It's so pretty. It makes me so happy. But hello, long time no chat. It is like 6:45-ish right now. Got home a little while ago. Clearly got straight back into my comfy clothes because naturally I'm not gonna hang out in like outside clothes at home. Forget it. And honestly, I've just been in the office working. I wanted to edit a bit of this vlog that you're watching right now. That way tomorrow morning it's a little bit easier for me. So I did that, wrapped up some emails, some other sort of random work things, and now it is time officially to finish decorating this place for the holidays. Everything that we've ordered has finally arrived, so we're gonna open it up and finally finish this baby up because I am over it. Honestly, the thing that I'm dreading the most is the lights around the window. I think it's gonna be a bitch to do, but we're just gonna do our best. Anyway, let's open up these packages. So these are already not what I thought they were. They're a little small, but cute. Like, look at these. I really like the color of them. They're definitely not like super high quality. Like, I can feel that this is like not the best, but actually not as bad as I thought it would be. It actually might be ideal, but I believe there are 3 of them here. Are they all different sizes? Yes. Cute. Here we go. Candlesticks. Beautiful. Okay, and then I believe these are the other candlesticks that I ordered. I don't love the gold on these, to be honest. They're more like rose gold than this pure gold. but oh well, we're rocking with it. Don't love that this requires assembly. I am lazy. And it has been a day, and it's already 6:30. Help assist out. Luckily, this seems like I'm just being dramatic again, clearly. It will take 30 seconds still. I do want to start with the lights around the window first because I think that's going to be the most tedious to take care of. And then once we have that done, we'll just throw some candlesticks up here and call it a day. And then we are officially done decorating. I am so happy. Okay, I think my camera battery died while I was doing this, but got all the command hooks up there. There's one. And now we're going to attempt to hang our lights from them. Okay, so with 2 string lights here, let me move this candle now. With 2 string lights, I can make it all the way around to the bottom there, but not also across here. And I just don't think that my brain will be able to comprehend it being lit up there and not there. That is just not going to work for me. So we're gonna throw in another string of lights and see what happens. We're just gonna play around for a little bit. And I think I'll do that off camera and just pop back in and show you what we come up with. Okay, finally figured this out and it is done. Thankfully, it was a real bitch to deal with as predicted, but I think it looks really nice. It just adds a little bit more, which I really like. And now I'm going to deal with these candlesticks. Okay, so I currently have this out like this, but I hate it, so we are going to try something new. So I decided to opt for just 3 on this side, and then we're just gonna keep the flowers over here. It was just not working with the flowers as well. Everything looked too crowded. And then I liked these gold candlesticks better than these rose gold, but I think when they're up here you can't totally tell that they're rose gold, and also it's just nitpicky, and I like the height of these better, so ultimately I think that those are the better choice. Yeah, I think that that looks really, really pretty. I am a fan. Also, hello. And now we are finally officially done decorating. I am so glad to be done. It took a while, it was very fun, but I'm also just happy to have it done so that we can just sit back and enjoy it now. Alrighty, pizza is on the menu for dinner tonight. I am trying my best to recreate that masterpiece that Connor made last week. I'm sure it will not live up to it because that was so good, but
I don't know. Look at this. This is looking fine.
Yeah, I think it'll be yummy.
My first look at it.
I'm excited. Oh yeah. Look at that beauty. I'm very excited for this. Of course. Such an easy meal.
You're right. I got a channel.
Yeah. Absolutely, yes. I'm telling you, I've seen what I need to see. Yes. What do you think?
Oh my god.
She's a beaut. Well, everyone, I'm just getting ready for bed now. It is about 11 p.m.-ish. Dinner was delicious. Pizza was so good. And overall, just a very nice, relaxing evening. Anyway, thank you guys for watching today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Hope that you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. If you guys have any requests of other things that you want to see during Vlogmas, let me know in the comments. Happy to build that into my Vlogmas calendar. I still have some tricks up my sleeve, which I'm very excited for. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
So I'm offering